$20 every 30 minutes for a total of $960 every single day.
$960 per day. That is a bold claim. It's a big number. Guys, I have already done my AI homework and I know exactly what this video is talking about. And I'm going to share with you step by step. Show you whether it is really possible or not. If yes, and how is it possible? And if not, then why not? I will share with you how we made $17,000 selling book. I mean, just one book and associated funnel. And I will also share how my book writing software looks like and how we made $1,849 selling the book writing AI software with just 2 hours of work.
So as you can see here on my screen, from the 15th of July, which is yesterday, today is the 16th of July, I made $29,760 selling multiple different books online.
That is a huge number, to be honest.
Last time I made a video about Google Books, I had just started using this method.
All right, let's watch this video. Okay, what he's talking about is a 13-step process called create profits. Every letter stands for each step. You don't need to worry about all these steps. You will be making all your money right here, and we will mainly need these 4 steps to actually make money. So let's begin. Step number 1, create an account on Google Books Partner Center. Just go Google Book Partner and you will find this link. Click here and you will be on this page. They are available in 75 plus countries. 3+ billion Android devices have access to these books. All you need to do is to create an account, publish your book, promote your book, and start earning money. It's free to create an account. Just click get started and go step by step to create your account. I know you are excited about writing books, but trust me, this is the easiest one. And in fact, if you are too excited, click the link below in the description. You will be on this page. Just click on this video and you will see how to write your book using our proprietary AI agent in just 2.5 minutes. So before we engage AI to write our book, we need to do our research about the topic of the book. You do not want to write a book on a topic that there are no readers and there are no buyers, because you make money only when someone buys your book with cold hard cash. Well, not exactly cash. I mean card, but you got the point. So
the trick is to make books on trending topics that are going to be trending for a long time, ideally, because those are books that are evergreen and people technically are going to be buying them for a long time. For example, books on ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a trending topic right now.
So let's go on Google Trends. Click Explore and you can select worldwide, but I would personally select United States because they are the biggest digital product buyers. And I would search with ChatGPT just to see the trend. And honestly, it looks very promising. Look at this. Past 12 months, the trend never actually went down. It's almost always pretty consistent, and currently it's going higher and higher. And there are more trending topics right here. You can even search those topics and find more. Now we came to Google Play Store Book Library and search with ChatGPT. And all these books are paid books about ChatGPT. This particular book is around $250 price. Now the best part is, when you search for something, you will always get more suggestions. Like this one, Traffic Secrets. I know it's written by Russell Brunson, and I can see 47 reviews with average 4.8 star rating. If there are 47 reviews, it means at least 470 units were sold. Now I'm getting more suggestions from the same writer and similar books. So this way you can also get ideas about new topic. Go back with that topic to Google Trends and search, let's say, traffic. Well, traffic itself is a broad word, so let's check with Traffic Secrets as a book name. Okay, don't worry about the trend here. I'm actually trying to see these topics at the bottom of the page to get more niche and keyword ideas. There is another place you can do good research.
You can also go to Google News. And another topic that I like to create content on is technology or business. Entertainment is also a really good one that people really like. So, but business and technology give us the opportunity to make money by selling products.
That's right. You can write technology related products, but it's not quite easy to write books about entertainment, so to speak.
As well, along with our book. Okay, so let's go here on technology, and ChatGPT is usually something that is really trending on Google News, Google Trends. It's always being talked about. So you can find those articles that are updated here every couple of hours on Google News. As you can see, Google's Big Pixel event.
So you get the point. Now we're going to actually write the book using AI. The book writing process shown in this video is not easy at all. Go and look for some custom ChatGPT and you don't know how it works. Then you get some table of content, then you make some changes, then you copy the whole thing, open in your desktop version, and then copy and paste in Google Doc, and you have to do a lot of formatting, then turn it into PDF, then use another PDF editor to do a lot more formatting. This is boring. This book does not make money by selling anything else. The process of writing this kind of book is extremely boring, and the book itself is boring as well. We changed the whole system completely by creating our own AI book writing agent. Not only our books sell themselves, but also they work as a sales copy and sell other stuff, affiliate offers or our own offers from inside the book. Now let me show you how our book writing AI agent works. Oh, it takes only 2.5 minutes to write a 3,000 words to 5,000 words book. We made this $17,259 from an ebook. So here is how we did it. First, we wrote a book using AI, and people loved it because there was high quality information there. And we didn't write a single word of it. We used AI. But on top of it, we wrote the book in a way that it worked as a sales copy to sell a high ticket program. So the book sold the high ticket offer, affiliate offer on our behalf, and that's how we made this $17,259. Actually, the customers who came through this book, they bought much more, and we made $6,000 more from other funnels, and we don't even want to talk about it. Now, the problem here is most of us don't have a book, and it's because either book writing is a tedious process. Even with AI, it's not easy. You have to play with the prompts back and forth. AI applications are not free. They charge you monthly recurring fees, and we solved this problem completely. We built a ChatGPT AI agent to write our book using ChatGPT. So you can say it's a software built on top of ChatGPT. And if you are watching this video from this page, I'm still writing and building the sales page. Quickly go through the page and understand how it works. And once you are ready, click this button, make the tiny payment, and get access to our ChatGPT AI agent bookmaster. It's a tiny little sales page. You will understand clearly how it works, and your money is 100% safe with our 30-day, no question asked money back guarantee. You don't like it, just ask for your money back, and we will give you every penny you paid us. Now let me show you how it works. Let's write a book. All you need to do is to click start. Now AI is asking for an idea or any kind of source that you have in mind to write your book. For this example, I have seen this video and I like this video, so I'm gonna copy the transcript of the video and use it as a source. Then click this black up arrow button and let the AI start its magic show. Now there are two options. Either you go step by step, work with AI, or just type auto and hit enter. In this step, AI is asking whether you have any copywriting template, because the purpose of this book is to sell something. The book has to be written in the form of a sales copy. I'm going to use its default award-winning 12 steps copywriting template. So I'll type go and hit enter. Now first AI is writing the book outline, and here is chapter 1. It's asking for your review. I will just say go, and it's writing chapter number 2. It looks pretty cool to me so far. And now, even without asking question, it started to write chapter 3. Now we are at chapter 4. And here we go, there is a case study. There is another case study. Automatically started chapter 5. The thing about ChatGPT is it stops sometimes when the steps are long, just to make sure it's not wasting its resources by writing something that you are not looking for. If you like what's going on and you want ChatGPT to carry on, just type go and hit enter, and it will start again. Now we are at chapter 12. The book is completed. Now at any point, if you want to make any changes in any chapter, can just ask and provide specific instructions. I personally want to add images. Write hyper-realistic image prompts for each chapter and hit enter. Now I got image prompts for every single chapter. Now I will write, use the above prompts and draw hyper-realistic images one by one. Here we go. We got the first image. Second image is nice. It shows how messy traditional podcasting is. Haha. All right, we got all the images we need for all our chapters. We're gonna put all the text and all the images in one document and turn them into a book. The final book is 2,433 words and total 15 page. I'm just going to download it as PDF. Click save. It's done. Let's open. Here's how it looks like. Book, title, subtitle, chapters, a call to action in the footer, images, text, a high value book, working as a sales copy to sell the program we are promoting in the footer. Let's click on it and it will take you to the training that we are trying to promote. Are you still watching? What are you waiting for? Click the link or button below this video or somewhere near this video, make the payment and get your access right now. I can guarantee you the price will be rising, or we will remove bonus, or we will remove something. So this is the best offer right now. We are testing the offer, so the price is the lowest, and we are giving away literally what we are using to write books for us to make money. It will save you money from using other monthly recurring AI softwares, 100 different prompts. Your AI agent will keep improving as we improve it. Your AI agent will keep updated as ChatGPT updates themselves. This is the best of the best book writing AI agent at the best price possible. Go get it right now. Your investment is 100% safe. And I hope to see you inside. Guys, you can get Bookmaster from below this video in the description. Or if you're watching from my website, you'll find a button or a link below this video. Go grab it. In the next step, you're going to add formatting and images that you absolutely don't need to worry about if you're using Bookmaster. These steps are not important. Guys, sorry to say, I made a mistake at the beginning. This is not exactly where you make money. You make money right here, and you make a lot of money. And the good news is, these topics are really quick. You need to prepare a book cover, and the book covers on Google Play Store books are pretty straightforward. You don't need complicated mock-ups for this kind of book covers. And for that, you can use Google's Gemini. Just go and type, draw a book cover for ChatGPT related book for Google Bookstore. Now you can add more details about your book topic, color choice, dimension, or anything else you want to add, and hit enter. AI is working, and after a few seconds, you got a book cover ready. Whether it is the best one or not, you can always ask to design a better version. Let us fast forward and skip these basic steps and go straight to the money part. Invest time in promotion.
Like I said, Google Books has already 3 billion active users on their platform that will search on the platform for ebooks to buy, and they will find your ebook to buy them for you. And you can make some money doing this. And I was making $330 every single day on my last video by doing exactly this. But I tripled my money when I started doing self-promotion on my ebooks published on the platform. To be able to make $960 every single day, this is what I do. Make around one sale of $9.99 roughly around every 15 minutes. That is $20 every 30 minutes, which adds up to $40 every hour. Since the books are selling on autopilot 24 hours every single day, I don't have to do anything. I just set it up once and it sells forever. That's times 40 by 24. That's $960 on average every single day. Now, the reason I price my ebooks at $9.99 is...
Guys, I'm sure this video was shot for people with zero idea about the online world and how much money you can actually make in reality. And that's why he's throwing numbers just like that. Autopilot money doesn't work that way. We made 8 figures, over $10 million selling digital products. If there is one person who knows about this, not to pat myself on the back, but alhamdulillah, I'm one of them. You are now looking at the results of over $4.5 million in sales. Let's go to the bottom of the page and quick zoom in. You see $5.5 million in sales revenue. And this is the conversion rate, which means only 3% people, 3 out of 100 people actually end up buying from your website or from your online store. So to make $5.5 million, we needed 4.4 million visitors or traffic on our website funnels in order to make money like this. All right, couple more examples here. To make $124,000, we needed to send 86,000 visitors to the website and associated sales funnel, and only 6% conversion happened. And this offer made $53,000 because only 2% people purchased. Now, these offers have a huge offer funnel. These books don't have a funnel. They are just one book, and the price is $9.99. Definitely very few people are buying, and the conversion rate should be extremely low. Another example, ChatGPT should be a hot topic, and there should be tons of sales and tons of user ratings. How many of these books have user ratings? I found only 3 reviews, and guess what? They are fake reviews. It's the same guy, Anil Das, and again Anil Das. Bro, I'm sorry to say, but this guy is absolutely bluffing.
And I was making $330 every single day.
Wow, dude, you must be doing some magic.
Now, the reason I price my ebooks at $9.99 is because it's a fair and it's a competitive price that people are willing to pay.
Well, I do not agree, because people can buy books for pennies on Audible and Amazon Kindle. So they're not stupid. Book readers know where the book market is. Google Bookstore is new. These buyers are already on Amazon and they're buying books for pennies. Get real, dude.
Now, let's say that you just publish your book on Google Books. You're already going to be able to make around $300 to $400 a day on the
This is absolutely outrageous number. However, let's check what else he has to say.
Platform without doing any promotion. But let's say that you want to make triple the money. Listen up, because this is crazy.
Yeah, this sounds even more crazy. I mean, you want to triple the money, which means you want to do something by your own to make those sales.
What I'm personally doing is I go to one-click blog post and I create a one-click blog post about the same topic.
And the reason he's doing a blog post is because he will get traffic from outside to the blog post. And on the blog post, he will be promoting his book on Google Play Store. This is even more outrageous. Why would you do that? If you have your own traffic or you use your own traffic, you should use your own automated funnel powered by AI. This automated funnel will make you tons of money, and this traffic will not go to Google Bookstore. If you send your traffic to Google Bookstore, maybe they will buy from you. Of course, most of them will go and look for other books and buy from other people, not from you. But when you send your blog traffic to your automated AI-powered funnel, they will only buy from you, and you will keep all the money. Guys, we know this because not only we make money doing the same digital marketing, automated funnel, and AI, we help our beginner students with a 99% done for you system, and they earn high-ticket affiliate commission. If you're looking at the screen, 95% of these people were complete beginners when they joined our program. And we did not teach them how to do fancy book creation or posting on Amazon, KDP, or Google Bookstore. Yes, you can do that. And you will probably make money, of course. But in order to make outrageous amount of money, high ticket affiliate commissions like this, you should not leave your product, your funnel, your traffic in other marketplaces. You should use your own funnel and sell from your own funnel. And the best part is, in our program, all these stuff are 99% done for you. So our students, our beginner students, don't have to worry about all this. So you must be asking, what do they do? We teach them how to use AI and learn skills fast. Using these skills and knowledge, they make short videos and they publish those videos on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. These platforms send thousands of visitors to their AI-powered automated funnel, which we build it for them completely done for you. These funnel does the selling on our students' behalf. And when there is a sale, they earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commissions. And in fact, you should look for something like this. Then check the link in the description and watch the free training. With the free training, you will learn everything about how to do digital marketing, how to do done for you high-ticket affiliate marketing, and earn high-ticket affiliate commissions just like this. I want you to watch the free training because it's free to watch. Why not? At the end of the training, you will learn about our program. And if you think it's a good fit, go sign up. If you think it is not, we're still friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And if you want to learn more about free traffic and money-making systems, then watch these videos and watch these videos. See you on the next one.